That is like the funniest thing I've ever seen.
So pissed off. Oh. Try and eat it.
I never thought I'd have a baboon on my car.
Looks like it's shit on its face.
Keeps looking at it.
Oh, there's one. There's one going to come on that side, you know. They don't want.
Let's see if we can get. Let's see if we can get
Hey!
Oh.
I thought we was humping it for a second then.
Jumped on. Big red.
It's like they just kept right. Oh my god, look at that one's bum.
Look at those ones. Biggy bagging.
Oh, whoa, that one's got a little one at the back.
That was awesome.
Thorney, put your fucking window up.
They're picking his bum.
That's such an actual thing.
They don't even know what's going on. They're just like, oh, nothing going on in our room.
That's amazing.
Hello! You're a real animal.
How are you? Look at that baby. Oh my god.
Oh, look at it.
Look. Thorney, put your window up. Hello. Fuck's sake. You don't know what's on the topic. We could just swing down inside. Look at it's got a wasp on it. Look at that baby one in the road.
There's one right next to you, by the way, Matt.
I know, but look at that one.
Big red
Oh,
eye.
it's that thing there.
Nipple.
Look at those down there.
Wow.
It's a boy. What do you think? Oh my god!
That's picking shit off its arse and eating it. Oh, it's bleeding!
Is that been run over?
I don't think so. I think it's just lying
Look
there.
at bleeding ass. Oh.
It's lovely, isn't it?
They look after one another. Oh my god, this one's massive!
That one's
That
so
one
cute,
doesn't go.
isn't it?
Oh, it's like... Oh.
Hello.
Oh.
You got man's hands and a man's dick.
Falling. Like slam your brakes.
No way, that's only a little monkey and it'll hurt his son.
That was wanking.
Come on.
Get out the way, please.
One's got a massive boner.
Have I just got 3 now?
I reckon there's like 20 on the roof though.
This one loves it.
Look at that one, it's pulled the thingies up.
What?
Both of them.
Why does it do?
Everyone's pointing at us.
At our roof.